Right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pritchard's Kitchen. Today I am going to be cooking some Christmas sides. But once I'm cooking the Christmas sides, I am not going to be wasting any of the veg. All your food scraps, put it in the brown bin because it's going to generate green electricity. So, because it's Christmas, I brought myself a little Christmas hat. I've got some biodegradable green bags. All my food bits are then going to go into there. We're going to roast some carrots and we're going to roast some parsnips and we're going to do it with some rosemary and some maple. But I'm going to cook these sprouts. So I'm going to cook them with bacon and I'm going to cook them with cashews as well. I'm going to toss them in a frying pan and they're going to taste absolutely banging. Obviously I'm vegan, so I won't be cooking bacon. And look at the waste that I've generated. Now, can you imagine Christmas Day? Everyone sat down in front of the TV. This will generate your TV for 2 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to keep all your food scraps and put it in the brown bin, whether it's the bones, your vegetable clippings, cooked food, non-cooked food, stick it all in the brown bin. Why? Because we want to become the #1 in the world at recycling. Merry Christmas everybody, Nadolig Llawen Pawb. Here are my Christmas recipes. Enjoy.